Knowledge Adventures. My name is Emily Culbertson, and today we are going to be learning how to ask, where is the bathroom in Italian? Where's the bathroom in Italian is going to be dove il bagno. Dove means where is. The word the this time is il, and bathroom is bagno. Bagno has a GN, but it actually sounds like an NY. Let's say it again, everyone. Dove il bagno. And then, of course, you have to understand directions. Directions are helpful for the question, where is the bathroom? But it's also helpful with a variety of things. So knowing directions can be very important, especially if you are traveling to Italy. So here's the first one. To the left is a sinistra. The I will sound like an E. Let's say it again. A sinistra. To the right is a destra. A destra. Straight ahead is avanti diritto. Avanti diritto. Now, I could just say straight, which is avanti, if you want to make it shorter. I personally like to make up silly ways to remember stuff. So I think of Doritos, those triangular cheesy chips. I'm going straight ahead in a grocery store to buy Doritos. That helps me to remember avanti diritto just a little bit better. Maybe it'll help you. Behind you and behind me. Behind you is dietro, dietro. Di te, not ti, dietro di te, behind you. Behind me is dietro di me, not me. Let's try it again, dietro di me. So those E's are sounding like a short E sound, eh. Of course, there could be other directions, but when you are done getting directions, then you are going to say, grazie, thank you, that they gave directions, and then you'll probably hear them say, prego, you're welcome. Looking for more videos like this? Like and subscribe. And guess what? We also teach private and group Italian lessons through Knowledge Adventures in online sessions. So message us for details if you would like to learn more. Ciao!